We are off to the Cotswolds. There's several places. Who knows where we're going to go?
Do you know where we're going?
No idea. This place appears to be very popular for like mountain bikers. And of course it's closed. So here we are, and apparently it's... What's the name of this park again, and? Heathcote Park. Well, all the signs of Heathcote Park. Heathcote Park is that it's shut. Oh well. Still, there's lots of cyclists. There's a nice view up on that side. So I suppose the open area might be nicer. Oh, got the click of the finger. Expected with this country park. It is the country, and there is a car park, so that could well be a country park. Still, there's a nice view ahead, so yeah, that looks really smart. Designed to upset Buddhist monks, because that is the sound of one hand clapping. That's nice. That's really nice, actually. Damn, I should have gone photography. Oh well, that's it. I suppose it's time to get my little son. Anyway, I am possibly the most ungainly.
It's coming back onward, isn't it?
Ah, so.
Oh dear God, I'm never going to get over it.
Why? Ha! The main thing to do is panic on all times. You need to turn around. There you go. And you still need to turn around. I wouldn't go down forwards. You're on the wire. Ah, told you. Nasty. About it still.
Time to head back to the car.
Very nice, but it's also all very closed, so it's a lovely place. And this is February. Oh my goodness, February the 14th. I'm starting to regret the coat.